In this video, we are going to be talking about hormones and what they do. A hormone is a chemical produced in a particular section of an organism that is transported by the bloodstream or tissue to other parts of the body. There are two types of hormone. One type, called peptide hormones, that binds to a cell's surface receptor and does not enter the cell. The second kind of hormone is a steroid hormone, which enters the nucleus of a cell and binds itself to the cytoplasm's wall. Neurocrine and endocrine cells are long-distance travelers that go through the blood to find target cells. Paracrine, autocrine, and synaptic signals are local travelers that are released into the fluid and move to nearby target cells. For some hormones, a cell responds to a hormone when they have a receptor for that hormone. The hormone links onto the receptor protein, resulting in the activation of a signal that leads to a specific response. For example, the pineal gland secretes and synthesizes melatonin and lets the body know when it's time to go to sleep. During the time of maturation, when a child becomes an adult, the production of hormones becomes much more active. This growing stage is called puberty. During puberty, boys and girls may feel confused, uncomfortable, and awkward, not about their bodies, but also about their lives and feelings. But why? Endocrine glands, such as the pituitary, pineal, thymus, thyroid, adrenal glands, and pancreas, produce hormones. Testosterone is an androgen hormone made from adrenal glands and is mostly known for being a male sex hormone. Estrogen is an estradiol hormone, mostly known for being a female sex hormone. This hormone is required for proper development and the regulation of the menstrual cycle. These two hormones are found in male and females and cause many changes in their bodies. During puberty, one will experience mood swings. Sometimes it feels like there's a big party and all of the hormones are invited. One may find themselves arbitrarily crying and feeling depressed, or even feeling as if their lives are going right down the toilet for no reason. These mood swings occur because of the rapid fluctuation of the levels of hormones. Other than what one may feel on the inside during puberty, there are a lot of things happening on the outside. The gonads, the human sex organs, produce gametes, eggs, and sperm. Without them, you can't have a baby. These gonads also stimulate growth for the transformation of the brain, blood, skin, breasts, and hair to prepare the body to create a baby. Somatotropin. The growth hormone is an amino acid that is synthesized, stored, and secreted by the somatotroph cells. This hormone catalyzes rapid growth in height and possible weight fluctuations. Somatotropin and gonads also stimulate the growth of muscles, bones, and other organs. The growth and development of breasts happens when the ovaries secrete estrogen. The body sends a message, and the fat in the connective tissue will accumulate in the breast area. This maturation begins with the formation of secretory glands and continues with the development of the glands and lobules. Androgens have the most effect on body and facial hair growth. Eccrine and apocrine are the glands that secrete sweat. One may notice that their body odor is more apparent. This is due to the output of sweat. Apocrine glands are mostly found under arms and through puberty become a lot more active. The production of the androgen hormone testosterone stimulates the skin's oil glands, making them enlarge. These oil glands are called sebaceous glands. Hormones generate and overproduce dead skin cells and an oil known as sebum that clogs pores. This clogging develops bacteria and causes bad acne. During puberty, there is the female period. A period shows when a female is able to fertilize an egg. Females have small organs in the lower part of their abdomen called ovaries. They produce estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. These hormones cause changes to the uterus's lining of the tissue every month during a period. The lining of the female womb is shed with some blood. This is called the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle on average lasts between 28, 24, and 35 days, and also a common length for the menstrual cycle. Around 14 days after the start of a period, ovulation occurs. Ovulation is when an egg is released and travels into the uterus. If there's sperm in the uterus, the egg may be fertilized, and the female could potentially become pregnant. During periods, females may experience cramps in the lower abdomen and tenderness in the breasts. PMS, also known as premenstrual syndrome, may occur 1 or 2 weeks before the female's period. PMS can affect a woman of any age, often includes both physical and emotional symptoms. PMS is extremely common but more often occurs between women in their ages of 20 and early 40s. Acne, fatigue, headache or backache, appetite changes, joint or muscle pain, irritability, mood swings, and depression can all occur, but these symptoms vary on the person. Somatotropin and prolactin show a rate of change in the evolution through the development of the human body, with development of the endocrine system, advanced vertebrae, natural posture, and jaw lines. So that's it. Hormones and puberty are a big deal, but nothing to stress over. The body is being filled and pumped with hormones all over at all times. They work as the body's little messengers, letting everything they need to know what needs to get done. This is a confusing and uncomfortable time in everyone's life, but everyone goes through it.